All right, welcome. This is your week 9 homework solution. This is Wednesday. Here you're going to find the measure of the exterior angle. Okay, so here's your exterior angle here. Please understand that this box here is a 90-degree. I'm just going to write that there for you. Okay, and we know based on the equation that the exterior is equal to the sum of the two opposite interiors. Okay, so if you would like to know which is the exterior, which one is on the outside, this is on the outside right here. So this is the exterior. Okay. And this are your two interiors. Okay. These are your interiors right here. Okay. So the exterior is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior. These are your two opposite interiors. Okay. So the equation should be x is equal to 38 plus 90. 38 plus 90 is equal to 128. There you go. It is that simple. Okay, let's just do number 2. Just label it so you can see it. K is considered your exterior. Can I just write EXT for you? Okay, exterior. These are both your inside, so this is your first interior. And this is your other interior. Okay, and these are on the opposite side. So the equation said the exterior is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior. The exterior is K, the sum is add, and it's 64 plus 72. 64 plus 72 is 140. So this should be K. Okay, K is equal to 140. There you go. 3. Again, here you're going to find the measurement of the exterior angle. So let's just make sure you can label it. This is your exterior, the 2A. This is on your inside, so this is your first interior. And this is also on the inside. This is your second interior. Okay? So it should be the exterior is equal to the sum of the opposite interior. 2A, that's your exterior. Your first interior is A plus 10. Your second interior is 44. Distribute. This just becomes A plus 10. Combine like terms. 10 plus 44 becomes 54. I see an A here. I see an A here. So I'm going to get the variable by itself by subtracting A. Why do I subtract A? Because you're removing the smallest variable. That should cancel out, leaving you with an A equals to 54. It comes all straight down. 2A minus A becomes A. You do not move the 54, right? You do not move the 54. You move the variable. You had a variable on both sides. So A here is 54. Here, again, you're trying to find the exterior angles. So let me help you out by labeling it for you. This is your outside, so that is your exterior. This is your first interior, and this is your second interior. And we know that the equation is always defined as your exterior is equal to the sum of your two opposite interior. Your exterior is B, your two interiors are 55 and 50. That's the equation. So B equals to 55 plus 50, which is equal to 105. There you go. 3. Again, this looks a little bit complicated, so let me just label it for you to help you along in the process. This is your first exterior. This is your interior, and this is your other interior. Set up the equation and try to solve. Okay, you're not going to get a question like this on the test. Okay, this is a very hard question. Okay, you might see this in high school. Okay, but even there, it's pretty brutal. Okay, so the exterior equals to the sum of your two interiors. There you go. X plus 50 is your exterior. Your sum of your interiors is x plus 10 plus 4z. All right, distribute. Okay, that's how you just get rid of the parentheses. You're distributing a 1 to each term. I see a z on the right and a 4z on the right hand side, so those combined, that becomes 5z. Okay, I minus z to both sides because I'm trying to get the variable alone. So I'm trying to get this to cancel out. Okay, I get 50 equals to 5z minus z is 4z. Subtract 10 to both sides. You get 4x equals to 40. Oh no, I messed up. This should be z. I'm sorry, this should be z. This should be z, okay? And divide by 4, you get x equals to 10. I messed up. I was copying and pasting. Please understand this should be z, okay? This should all be z, z, and z, okay? But there you go. That's your answer, okay? Z equals to 10. All right. But that's it. Those are all your homework solution for Wednesday.